All right, we're going to shift gears here now to first warning weather. As you can tell, temperatures still sitting at about 86 degrees where Barrett is outside sweating at this point. 79 in Blanco, 78 in Fredericksburg, 85 in San Marcos, and Giddings we're at about 85 degrees. Still seeing mostly clear skies out there, just a couple of clouds. That's in Fayette County. Everyone else has been able to see the beautiful sunshine that's continued throughout the day. I'll zoom out a bit more. And actually, the entire state is looking pretty calm. The only showers we have are well far out in West Texas and getting past that into El Paso. High temperatures for today will reach back up, stop me if you've heard this one before, 96 degrees. Yeah, it looks like that's going to be the continuing trend over the next couple of days. Look, at this point, our normal average high is 91, us hitting 96. That's something that we're going to see again today and tomorrow and the next day and the next day. So unfortunately, if you're making plans for the weekends, and we're hoping that you could get a break from this above average temperature, not going to happen. 94 in Giddings, 96 in San Marcos, and 90 degrees in the Hill Country. You get a couple of clouds out there. Do I expect that we'll see widespread showers today and tomorrow? No. In fact, maybe an isolated pocket of showers or two. And in fact, this model took pretty much everything off for today and says tomorrow you have a better chance of maybe 1 or 2 pockets of rainfall in the eastern counties, and then that's it. As we get into Sunday, we get a bit more cloud coverage that'll roll back in. But this trend looking like it's going to continue through Saturday, through Sunday, through Monday, and through Tuesday as well. And really the rain chances that we were hoping would really build for Sunday into Monday in forecasting, that looks like that's not really going to hold very well. And in fact, it won't be until Tuesday into Wednesday that we now have a better chance of seeing any type of rainfall whatsoever. I'm keeping at least a little bit of a rain chance on Monday. This model is saying you could see one on Monday at around 7:30. Again, not an exact science, but gives you an idea by Monday afternoon into evenings. That's where we get our best chance. But it's not until Tuesday into Wednesday when we have a front that'll come through that'll help us out as far as seeing any type of activity. We're at least getting some of that moisture in, but we need something to kind of kickstart some of the showers here. And it looks like it's now going to have to wait until the front arrives Tuesday going into Wednesday. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 96 for Friday into Saturday into Sunday. And now even on Monday, you'll notice I dropped those rain percentages down to about 10%. I moved them over to Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And Tuesday keeping it at a 30% chance of rain, and then Wednesday and Thursday a 20% chance of rainfall. Let's go and send it over to Tommy House with a look at the tropics.
Yeah, thank you so much, Freddie. Tropical storm Gabrielle now showing signs of life in the Atlantic Basin. Maximum winds at 50 miles per hour. Some of the red plumes there, that's the convection of Gabrielle. The forecast cone by the National Hurricane Center keeps a northwest track curving just to the east of Bermuda, getting up to a Category 2 tropical cyclone before steering its way out to sea. And with the forecast model tracks, we're seeing a significant confidence this will not impact any states along the eastern seaboard of the U.S. To the west of that, a tropic wave, 20% chance of development. We still have several more weeks of the hurricane season, so any sort of new storms, tropic waves, or impacts a little bit closer to home, we'll have updates on KXAN.com/tropical tracker. Avery?